So I have my lemon trees here, and I moved them and I felt the weight of these plants, and now my orange, my Valencia orange, it feels very light, and that's very strange given that we had this amount of rain the past few weeks. And now I've opened up the soil and just look at all of these ants. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to open this, and then I'm going to repot it and just drive the ants out, and then I'm going to throw in a garlic mixture to hopefully prevent them from coming back. I was actually busy cutting grass, and when I moved my citrus from that wall, that's when I noticed this. So first step, let's just remove all of the mulch that I have on top so that I can reuse it. And I have an idea, there's going to be a lot of ants in here. Okay, let's have a look. I'm just gonna take this bowl, let me just get the angle right here. I'm just gonna dump it on this grass that I have here. Or let me pull it out. Okay, have a look at that. There's actually a dry patch there. Look at that. It's dry, it's bone dry. There's one massive colony inside here. Wonder if I can get the queen. Oh wow. They are really in here. Wow. Let's just shake it a bit. That is really a lot of pile. It's literally moving with ants. It's crazy. Literally just made a big patch, and just to hopefully drive them out, because I would like to reuse the soil. And I was wondering why its growth was so far behind these ones. Now we know. And there it is, one orange citrus repotted. So I did make use of almost half of that soil again with some new compost and some perlite. I added some bone meal again, and I think this plant should be good again. Now I just need to remember to stake it up.